Hey everybody, John Newcombe, Woodridge Ford, your Woodridge Custom Truck Specialist. Today I want to talk about another one of our Atlas trucks here. A few months back we did a custom build with a 4-inch BDS in Space White. Thanks to all your votes and all your input on that. And today I'm excited to show you the Space White with the chrome appearance package. This is a 21 F150 502A Lariat. We did a little something different. We went with the 2-inch SST leveling kit with the 285/65/20 BFG KO2 tires, and we've got the 20x9 fuel cleaver wheels in chrome. They look pretty outstanding. Now these wheels are a positive 20 offset. There's been a lot of changes on the 21 F150, even from the 2020. So I didn't want to run fender flares on this particular truck, but you can see it's got a nice clean offset there with that positive 20. And we also have our custom monochromatic acrylic Atlas badging. That's a nice tie-in with the Space White and the chrome. Turned out really nice. And we've also added the Space White painted to match and the side badging on the Lariat. Added the Atlas on the side of the door. And if you come around the side here, this is a really nice touch with the FX4 off-road. Again, the Space White and the chrome really pops nice. It ties in nice with the chrome. I'm a big fan of the chrome. It's nice to do something different for all you chrome fans out there. Again, this is the Lariat 502A. I am your Woodridge Custom Truck Specialist from Mild to Wild, so give me a call, 403-512-7224, and let's do your custom build truck here today.